Hello great Indians, our today's topic is division of fractions. Previously we have discussed about multiplication of fractions. So today we are going to discuss how to divide a fraction by a whole number, how to divide a fraction by another fraction, or how to divide a whole number by a fraction. So let's see. So students, before discussing about division of fractions, we must discuss about reciprocal of a fraction. This is a very important term, so see it carefully and understand it. Suppose we have to take the reciprocal of 2 by 7. So how we get the reciprocal? By inverting numerator and denominator. Means we have to interchange this numerator and denominator. Means denominator comes in numerator and numerator goes to denominator. So this is the reciprocal of a fraction. For example, again another one, we have to take the reciprocal of 2 by 1. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 1? Yes, 1 by 2. Denominator comes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. So this is the reciprocal. By interchanging the denominator and numerator, we get the reciprocal of any fraction, or by inverting it. So one more example. Suppose you have to find the reciprocal of 5 by 9. So what is it? Yes, 9 by 5. So this is about reciprocal of fraction. Now further we discuss about division of fractions. So students, in division of fractions, your first topic is division of a fraction by a whole number. So in this we have to divide a fraction by a whole number. So let's see what is it. So to divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Okay, for dividing a fraction by a whole number, we have to multiply that fraction with the reciprocal of the whole number. For example, we have taken one fraction, that is 5 by 7, and one whole number, that is 4. So how we rewrite this 4? We rewrite this 4 as 4 by 1. So we can write here 5 by 7 divided by 4 by 1. So in this division of a fraction by a whole number, what we have seen, that we have to multiply the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 4 by 1? Reciprocal of 4 by 1 is 1 by 4. And here we have to multiply this one, the reciprocal. So we get 5 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 4. Okay. Now according to the multiplication rule, we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So we get the product. In numerator we get product of numerators, and in denominator we get product of denominators. That is 5 multiplied by 1 upon 7 multiplied by 4. So 5 multiplied by 1 we get 5, 7 multiplied by 4 we get 28. Okay, so answer is 5 by 28. This is a proper fraction, so here no need to convert in mixed fraction. So keep it as it is. So in division of fractions, second topic is division of a fraction by another fraction. So in this we have to divide a fraction with another fraction. Okay, so we multiply, for dividing a fraction to another fraction, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of another fraction. So that we have to see here. So suppose we have taken one example, that is first fraction is what? 5 by 7, and second fraction is 2 by 7. So as you know very well, first fraction is keep it as it is, and you have to multiply. Okay, so multiply what? The reciprocal of another fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? 7 by 2. This is the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. So now next step is what? We have to apply the multiplication rule here. Okay, so what is the multiplication rule? Multiplication rule says that in numerator, product of numerator, that is 5 into 7. Okay, and in denominator we get 7 multiplied by 2, that is the product of denominators. Okay, this is according to the multiplication rule. So here any simplification? Yes, here 7 is cancelled with 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Okay, so we get here 5 multiplied by 1, we get 5. 1 multiplied by 2, we get 2. So here we get 5 by 2. This is the answer. But here it is in improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So how will you convert this? We get 2 1 by 2. This is the mixed fraction. Okay, here we have converted because this is an improper fraction. So answer must be written in mixed fraction. Now third topic is division of a whole number by a fraction. So in this we have to divide a whole number by a fraction. So for dividing a whole number by any fraction, we have to multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So for example, we have taken one whole number, that is 7, and reciprocal 2 by 5. So 7 can be written as 7 by 1. Okay, so now we have to keep this 7 by 1 as it is, and we have to multiply the reciprocal of this fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? Yes, 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2 by 5. So now we have to apply the multiplication rule. So we have to multiply 7 and 5. 7 multiplied by 5. And in denominator we get 1 multiplied by 2. Okay. The product of numerator upon product of denominator. So any simplification done here? No, we can't simplify it. So now we have to multiply 7 5s are 35. 1 multiplied by 2, we get 2 here. So okay students, so this is the answer. So now this is an what? Improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So we get 17 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, we have to first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we have to solve it. Okay, so for example, we have one whole number 4 and we have one mixed fraction, that is 2 by 5. As we have seen here, one example of dividing a whole number by a fraction. So in this fraction is what? Proper fraction. Okay, and here it is a mixed fraction. Okay, so how will you solve it? Same procedure. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Divide sign as it is, and in this we have to first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how will you convert? 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12 divided by 5, denominator as it is. So what we have to do now? Same procedure as above. 4 by 1 multiply by what we have to multiply here? Reciprocal of this. So what is the reciprocal? 5 by 12. So reciprocal of 12 by 5 is 5 by 12. Now any simplification done? Yes. Here 4 1s are 4 3s are. Yes. Okay. So now we have to multiply this by applying product multiplication rule. Product of numerator 1 into 5 5. Okay, divided by product of denominator 1 into 3 3. So this is the answer. So students, we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what is it? 1 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Okay, got it? What we have to do while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction? We have to first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then solve it as we have seen today. What to do? How to divide a whole number by a fraction. Okay, this is all about division of fractions.